Are you tired of chaotic walks with your furry friend? Does your dog's behaviour turn your daily outings into a stressful experience? If you answered yes, it's time for a change. Walking your dog should be an enjoyable experience for both of you, and that's where I come in. I am a professional dog behaviourist and dog trainer. My name is Philip Allen, and I'm the owner of Claire Dog Training. Using positive reinforcement techniques, I specialise in transforming challenging behaviours. Pulling on the leash, excessive barking, lunging and general reactivity. I've got you covered. But don't just take my word for it. Listen to what other dog owners are saying about the positive changes in their furry companions. Join our training sessions and let's turn your walks into a joyous experience. Your dog deserves the best, and together we can make it happen. Ready for stress-free walks? Contact me. I'm your trusted dog behaviourist and expert dog trainer. Let's start this positively amazing journey together.